Have you ever noticed something strange about the most powerful people in movies or in real life? They almost never talk. We grow up thinking that if you want to be strong, you have to be loud, you have to shout, you have to explain yourself. But psychology says the exact opposite. If you are always talking, you are actually showing weakness. You are showing that you need attention. But if you can master the art of silence, you become dangerous. Not violent dangerous, but powerful. Today, I am going to teach you the psychology of silence and why shutting your mouth is the ultimate superpower. Think about a book. If a book is wide open, you can read the whole story in 1 minute. Then you get bored, you throw it away. But a book that is locked, a book you cannot read, you become obsessed with it. You want to know what is inside. Most men are open books. They tell everyone their secrets, their plans, and their feelings. Today, I will show you how to become the locked book. Here are the 3 psychological reasons why silence wins. Secret number 1 is called the mirror effect. Humans are social animals. We hate awkward silences. When a room goes quiet, our brain panics. We feel like we must fill the air with noise. When you are silent, you hack the other person's brain. If you stay quiet and just look at them, they get nervous. They start to think, does he like me? Did I say something wrong? Is he judging me? And then they do something crazy. They start over-explaining. They reveal their true secrets just to make you happy. By saying nothing, you make them tell you everything. In a negotiation or an argument, the first person to speak loses. Now, let's talk about attraction. Girls are very good at reading body language. When a guy talks too much about himself, look at my car, look at my money, she knows the truth. She knows he is insecure. He is begging for her approval. It's like a little puppy jumping up and down. But the quiet man, he is scary to her in a good way. She thinks, why isn't he trying to impress me? Does he think he is better than me? This creates curiosity, and in psychology, curiosity is the first step to falling in love. She cannot figure you out, and because she cannot figure you out, she cannot stop thinking about you. Secret number 3 is called the intelligence illusion. There is an old saying, better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak and remove all doubt. When you talk, you make mistakes, you say silly things, you give people chances to attack you. But when you listen, you learn, you gather information, you see things others miss, and when you finally do speak, people listen, because you don't waste your words. Your words become valuable, like gold. So, try this experiment today. The next time you are in a group or on a date, say 50% less. Pause, look people in the eye, and watch how the world changes around you. You don't need to shout to be heard. You just need to be worth listening to. If you want to unlock more psychological tricks that give you an unfair advantage in life, subscribe to the channel now. Welcome to the 1% Club.